Hi everybody, welcome to MBD Notes. In this video, we are going to learn about plugins in WordPress. First of all, we should know that what is a plugin. So a plugin in a WordPress is a piece of software like some instructions which extends your website functionalities. For example, let's say this is our website and I want a contact form over here. So by default, WordPress does not provide me this functionality to add a contact form in my website. So what we can do that we can add a contact form plugin and create a contact form and display anywhere in our website using that plugin. So this is how you add new functionalities, new features in your website using plugins. Now let's check out that how to install a new plugin. For that we need to log into our dashboard, go to this plugin sections, click on this plugins in the left sidebar. Here you can see that I have only one plugin over here. This is a security related plugin. Since our website is on localhost and we do not need any security, so we do not need this anti-spam plugin. So let's delete this. So we currently do not have any plugins available. Now let's install a new plugin. Click on this add new button. Here you can search plugins according to your requirements, and over here you can also see a list of different types of plugins. So let's search contact form. You can see that it displays a plenty of plugins from different developers. This contact form 7 plugin is also a very popular plugin, as you can see that it has 5 million plus active installations, and from around 2000 reviews it got 4 out of 5 stars. On the second number we got the contact form by WP Forms. This is also a very good and user-friendly plugin, and from 12,057 reviews it got 5 out of 5 stars. So from these numbers you can check that if it is a good plugin or not. You can install and activate plugin from here. So this is all for the plugins. If you like this tutorial, please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.